kind of hidden behind the line in the bracket. Just makes it a little bit easier. What the fuck?
1, 2, 3!
for a company cutting grass in my apartments. But where I'm at right now, Got both quad shocks out. Getting this nut off right here. That easy. You don't need these after you install upper and lower control arms. It's optional to actually install them again if you want to. But we're gonna throw that over there. This is actually a bracket right here that holds on the quad shocks. You can take that off as well. You could not, but it looks kind of dangerous, so I'm gonna take mine off. And I'll let you guys know at the next step. You guys probably will have to move this brake line right here so you can get to that bolt that's kind of hidden behind the line in the bracket. Just makes it a little bit easier. What the fuck? Alright, so. Alright, so. Got the sway bar. We'll deal with that later. I actually got some plans for it. What we looking like right now, you guys. Install is pretty straightforward. We got the sway bar out. Now just got to get the upper and lower control arms in. Alright, so you're gonna have residue left on here. So you grab you some brake cleaner or some WD-40, whatever you got. Is pretty messed up. Right now I got really all three on me, and this is the last one I pick up when I'm done. You guys can see back there, it's pretty easy to install. Takes a little time if you're on the jack stands like you can see I'm on. But I got the upper and lower control arms in. Have yet to put the sway bar in. I'm actually doing something with that. I got this bracket right here. It's kind of bugging me. Apparently this bracket was not going to go back on there. I can try to rig it up to go on there. Probably try to rig it up to go on there because it holds this brake line right here. I don't need this getting hit at all. I already lost brakes before. I don't need this even flapping around everywhere. So I'm going to have to see how I'm going to rig that up. As you guys can already see, I got it started. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm painting my sway bar red. Now I'm just doing this just because it gives the rear end a nice little touch, whatever you want to call it. People can actually see this when they trailing you, so it looks kind of cool. Back when I had it on my green car, people used to always tell me, man, I can got something red at the bottom of the car. Yeah, I painted the sway bar. Didn't have nothing else to do. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna make the rear end pop a little bit more. You guys can bash me all you want, but it looks better than not seeing it. You can actually see the sway bar now. Alright, so it's about 2 days later. It rained on me the day I had to finish this up. And then I also had to come out here and adjust it. Basically because I tightened the control arms while the rear end was kind of sitting down in a way, in a position that it's not going to be in. So it's best to tighten it up in a position that it's going to be in all the time to kind of relieve the tension. There's the sway bar underneath, bright red. It looks really good. Like I was saying, I had to let the car down. Well, I kind of tricked it into thinking it was down, put the jack stands on it, and make it seem like the wheels was on, and loosen up the rear end and tighten it back up. All right, you guys, I'm back. You guys actually missed it. You can tell that it's raining, but I went on a test drive. These control arms, it looked like they definitely brought my car up a little bit higher. That's cool and all, because we may change springs in the future, but I can see that right there. I did just receive a package. You guys will know about it soon. Nothing too major, but J&M upper and lower control arms installed. I couldn't really do too much in the car because it's raining. I can tell off the rip that it's a pretty good upgrade. I'm very satisfied with it. So I'm gonna go inside because I'm getting rained on, and we'll just pick up later.